Hello and welcome to Accelerator Pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2007 through 2011 Dodge Nitro Accelerator pedal. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. The multimeter will be set at 20 volts just like this. Then the positive from the battery and the multimeter will connect up to this first pin just like in the image. The negative from the multimeter will connect up to the second pin and the battery will connect up to the third pin. After you do this, it should be reading about 4.1 volts in the idle position. As you begin to press in the pedal, it should stop at about 0.4 volts. During these tests, you should be looking for spikes and glitches or any other irregularities during the test. The multimeter should still be set at 20 volts just like this. This time, the negative from the battery should connect up to the fourth pin. The negative from the multimeter should connect up to the fifth pin, and the positive from both the battery and the multimeter should connect up to the sixth and final pin. After doing that, in its idle position, it should be reading 4.3 volts. And as you press down on the pedal, it should stop at 2.4 volts. Again, you are looking for spikes and glitches during these tests to make sure that nothing is wrong with your pedal. So in this example, you can see that we are pressing down on it slowly and letting it rise up. And it looks like that this is not having any problems. It doesn't have any glitches or spikes. If your pedal has a spike or glitch, time to replace it. Our website shows when we have them in stock. We ship them from Ohio and we'll send it out right away. Check out the pinned comment and in the description for the link to our website. Thank you and have a good day.